How to delete incognito history on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily delete your incognito history on Google Chrome on your mobile phone. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So you can do this on both your mobile phone and your PC. So what you're going to do is first open up your Google Chrome, and here you are just going to search for Chrome and then hit the colon, then double slash, and you're just going to type in this URL right here. And once you do that, you can just hit enter. It will take you to this page where you will be set to DNS. Yeah, or if you don't put in the DNS, it will take you to this overall homepage. You just have to select DNS from here. Now, if you want, you can add your main domain to look it up. But what you mainly want to do is head over down and then click on clear host cache. What it does is it will clear out all of your entire incognito history, and no one will be able to track it in. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.